Hey boos, welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be my first haul. Yay! So if you don't wear hijab, like getting new hijabs is like, what can I explain? It's not like getting your hair done, because we get our hair done, but it's like getting new jewelry, like investment pieces, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's just a good it's kind of like getting new shoes. It's kind of like getting new shoes. I'm excited and I'm nervous at the same time. I don't know why I'm nervous to open up a pack of hijabs, but okay, anyways, let's go. Buying new hijabs is like getting in a new relationship. Like, who's gonna love me the way the hijab loves me? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 hijabs from Haute Hijab, and I also got, well, I'll show you these after. From Haute Hijab, I ordered all navy blue. All navy blue. I ordered all Jersey scarves from them. Oh my God, this feels like money. This feels so luxurious, and you know, on the website it says luxury jersey, but this is a jersey, so I'm like, what is luxury jersey? Just give me the hijabs. But baby, this feels like luxury. Oh my gosh. So I got navy blue because when I wear denim and stuff like that, I don't like to throw on a black hijab. Well, I do if I have to, but I really needed a navy blue hijab for my dark denim jeans, and just a navy blue hijab to really go off. Yes, I love this color. Oh my gosh. Now this, like, I don't know how people wear cream hijabs and like beat their face, because I will not. This is like a special occasion hijab. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The next shade that I got is olive green. Baby, look at this. It actually looks darker on the camera than it is in person. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love olive green, especially on my complexion. Okay, so the fourth one that I have is rose quartz. This is such a popular shade. It really goes with everything. It's like that mauve-y color. It's just so beautiful, and they're so long. This color is called light mink. I really wanted to get this. I mean, I have a hijab that's similar. I have to pull it out. I think I actually wore it in my Eid photos. Now that I think about it, I really don't know. Do I have this hijab? I have a few like nude color hijabs, but listen, if I have it, it's gonna have to work. How beautiful. I thought I was gonna be summertime fly, but summer is looking pretty canceled, and that's fine. I am not complaining. I'm safe. I'm happy. So from Veil Collection, I ordered chiffon hijabs. Now, I'm not like a chiffon girl. I'm really a Jersey girl. Not like a New Jersey girl, but that was corny. But anyway, I'm a Jersey girl. Jersey material girl. There we go. So I ordered chiffon because I said, let me give it a shot. And if I like them, I'll order more. If I don't like them, like, you know. Oh, feels good. It's like a rough chiffon, so that's good. It seems like it won't rip. This is nude mauve, so I'm already feeling the chiffon. It's giving me rich. It's giving don't touch me, don't look at me, lower your gaze, brother. So the next color is a cream in chiffon, because I obviously want to hand wash all of my hijabs. Don't ask me why I keep getting cream scarves either, because I don't know. But this is so beautiful, and so is this nude mauve one. Okay, so these are like, I'm gonna order some chiffon hijabs so that they can be my dress up hijabs, because I really like the way that those look. Let me show you the cutest thing I got for my hijab. Oh my God. How precious are these? So I'm gonna demonstrate how they work. Apparently they are very, 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 ooh. Apparently they're very, 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 the magnet is strong, so it keeps your hijab together. I heard that these magnets are nothing to play with, and that they keep the hijab in place all day. So I had to try it. These are $12 on Haute Hijab, and I think they are I'm not sure the price on Veil Collection. So ladies, if you're gonna order these, please keep these away from your little ones. These are a choking hazard. I just felt compelled to tell you that because I have little ones. My little ones are past that age, but you can never trust kids too. Like you can only trust them as far as you can see them. I'm so serious. So please be careful with these where you store them at. I don't know how to use these magnets yet. Okay, so oh, that was easy breezy. Oh my gosh, y'all, I don't know. I think I'm gonna turn into a chiffon girl because I love the way this feels. It's so breathable. It's very light in weight, and it feels like it's not even on, and it's even better because I have these magnets on. I have one here and one right here. I feel like I can really move in this. Oh my gosh, I feel like I could run after the kids in this. Right? Oh my god, y'all, I'm so glad that I'm filming because I'm having a moment right now. I don't know. Okay, so I happened to look because I wanted to see if this was rough chiffon or if it was all right, let me start over. I looked at this because I thought it was going to say whether it was rough chiffon or regular chiffon, right? So I looked at the poster that came in the mail, and I did the makeup on all three of these ladies. I did the shoot this day. Oh my gosh, what an honor. Like, I am having a silent happy moment right now because it's just like so beautiful to like be a part of something, and I'm just shopping from them because, you know, it's a Muslim brand. Although I worked with them on the shoot and I saw the pictures, it didn't do what this just did for me. Seeing it in a postcard on something that I actually ordered myself. I'm like, I'm gonna stick it right here. This is so beautiful, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. I can't. Okay, this is not what this video is about. I'm just like so. It's such an honor. Oh, I love you, Veil Collection. Mashallah, this is so dope. Okay, so sorry, y'all. I didn't even mean to get like all like awkward on camera, but that was just a moment for me. All right, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my very first haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you go shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, peace and love to all of you. Mwah.